What's up everyone? My name is Barbara DeLuca. You can call me Barbie. Today I'm gonna be reviewing this makeup that I have on my face right now, which I am obsessed with how it turned out. It's by the brand Honest Beauty by Jessica Alba, and I'm really happy and content with how it turned out, but I obviously will get into more detail after this intro. I just want to say and make clear that whatever works for me might not exactly work for you, or whatever doesn't work for me might work for you, so always go out and test out yourself if you're interested. And thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy. Hello, I know I have the craziest face right now, and I'm just gonna say straight up, I've been having the most annoying week of my life. Not literally, but a pretty annoying week. It's that time of month. I've been emotional, I've been stressed, I've been anxious, and it's taken me forever to get this video done. I tried yesterday. So just gonna start off saying it's not a first impressions video. At the end, it got a little noisy down there. I got family over, so whatever. So I actually can't describe how excited I am to finally be alone, to be in silence, to get this done, and to put some makeup on my face because I look crazy. I am going to be reviewing, well, not a first impressions, but I'm gonna be giving my thoughts on Honest Beauty, which is a clean beauty brand with good ingredients, cruelty-free. Kind of glad actually that I tried it out first yesterday, so I kind of have like a feel of already of how the makeup works, and I might do like a couple of little different twists on the application, if you know what I mean. I feel like I'm gonna be able to work with it better today now that I already know how each product is. So thank you so much for watching, and let's just get started because I am so excited, honestly. I don't think I can't even explain how excited I am to just get started with this. I'm gonna start off with Honest Beauty Everything Glow Primer. Oh, Everything Primer Glow, sorry. I just want to start off by saying I love all of the packaging of this makeup. Like, it's so cute. And I already know how the stuff works, so I'm just gonna start off. Should I zoom you in a little bit? I have allergies. I have, my face is just crazy right now. Like, please don't mind me. So I love this primer. So glowy, leaves like a tacky finish. Oh, also, I already did my skincare before this, so I'm already prepped. This primer is so nice. It gives such a nice tacky finish for under foundation, and it's also so luminous. I love it. I would love to try their matte primer because I get a little bit oily right here, and I like more of a pore filling primer, but I love this primer. Like, I would combine it with a pore filling primer. So amazing primer. Next, I'm gonna be going in with Everything Cream Foundation. I have it in the shade Vanilla. So I just want to say it comes like this. It's cream. It's a cream foundation. It's a little bit more on the dry side, so it's a little bit harder to blend. I tried yesterday with the beauty blender. Did not like how it applied with the beauty blender, but I did see that Jessica Alba applies it with a brush. So I'm gonna go in with a brush, but as I said, it's a little bit more on the dry side. So I kind of want to try putting in a bit of a facial oil to see how it works, but just literally one dot, because girl, I do not want to get oily. So I just put one dot. I don't know if you can see it right there. I'm gonna mix it in. Yeah, ooh, nice. I applied it yesterday without that, and it was a little bit more on the dry side, but let me just tell you, I actually loved how the foundation worked. So I'm gonna apply on the brush, but I also wanna apply some on my hand first, and go applying on the skin like this, and blend it out. Okay, right off the bat, I want to say applying the oil makes it a lot easier to blend and to work with. Oh, I love this foundation. When I first put it on yesterday, I was a little bit like, I'm not sure if I like it or not. But as I finished my whole makeup and the just final product of my face, it was just like, wow, it looks so nice, so natural. I will say I wore it for like 5 hours, and it still looked on point, but this is more like an everyday chill foundation. If I'm going out for like a dinner, I would probably still want like a foundation that's a little bit more full coverage and that maybe stays more put longer. But this is really, really nice, and I would say this is like a medium coverage foundation. So freaking pretty though, like on the real. Of course, I'm gonna take it down to my neck as well. Always put foundation down your neck, girls, come on. I'm just gonna go in with a beauty blender a little bit to take away some of the streaks from the brush. So yeah, there is the foundation. I look crazy right now. I look like the peanut butter baby, okay? But you can definitely see that the primer in the bottom, like you can see the glow, the dewiness. I love that about the primer with the foundation. So I really like it. It's like a matte, but like not too matte. It's like a velvety finish. I love this foundation, I swear. It's the Honest Beauty Magic Balm. Before applying it, I was expecting more of like a thicker consistency. My dog is sleeping the funniest way. It's just like a very light, nice balm. For my taste, I would prefer something much thicker. And like right now, I don't have color because I have foundation on my skin. I mean, on my lips. But I really like it. Like I would carry this in my purse for when your lips are feeling a bit dry. And I heard that this is also good for your face. I'm not sure though. I have to read a little bit more about that. Okay, so they don't have a concealer. I've seen people use the foundation as concealer and like a lighter shade, or people bronzing up also with a darker shade. But yeah, girl here only got one shade, so I'm just gonna go ahead and apply my regular concealer as I normally would, and I will be back. And we're back. Oh, I love how this foundation just starts feeling on the skin the more time that it passes by. Is that like, does that make sense? Like right now with a concealer on, I'm living for it. I really am. Like, oh, I can't explain how excited I was to try out this foundation. The only thing is that it sinks into my smile lines. That happens to me with a lot of foundations though. Like it's really hard for me to find the foundation that doesn't do that. But whatever, that's the only but I really love how it is on the skin. I was so excited to try out this brand. I had seen so many videos on it, and I'm just honestly excited about switching over to cleaner beauty products, because I just love the idea of using stuff that's not toxic and that's good for your skin, good for the environment in general. Excited, love that. So here's the Honest Beauty Invisible Blurring Loose Powder. Now I gotta say, this powder is matte, okay, like super mattifying. So yesterday I went in with a heavy hand and I kind of like lost the dewiness that I had here, so I was like, no. But look how it comes. It's really pretty. You lift it up here and it has like a little cushion in there where it comes out, and I love how it smells. I don't think it has any fragrance, like I'm pretty sure it doesn't, but it's just, I don't know, it smells clean. So yesterday I applied it with a beauty blender, like baking, but I think today I'm gonna go in with a brush, because as I said, it was a bit more on the matte side, like really matte. When I'm telling you this is matte, girl, it's matte. Like go in with a light hand. So I'm gonna apply it here and here that I get oily on my nose. Okay, I'm gonna go in really light. Like it's so mattifying. Like, yeah. But yes, I didn't bring it all the way down here. So I still have some of the dewiness from the primer. Loving it. I'm liking how this is wearing today better actually, because I'm doing it better. Next I am going to, I think I should bronze up first. I didn't pick up a darker foundation as I said, so I'm gonna bronze and then I'll get back to you. Okay, so I bronzed up just a little bit. I used to go really heavy on my bronzer, and now I'm more into like not such a heavy hand. So next I'm gonna go in with the Honest Beauty Honest Beauty Cream Cheek Blush. So this is a cream blush. I had never tried a cream blush. Yesterday I applied it with a beauty blender, but I think today I'm gonna go in with this brush. It's kind of like a little kabuki brush. I don't know, should I? So pretty like that. Yeah, I'm gonna try it like that. I loved this yesterday. Like, I was living for it. I'm big on blush. So pretty. Like, I can't with how pretty this is. Promise, this is so pretty. I'm living for it. I think I'm gonna add a little bit of the powder to my laugh lines because I can't deal with. Oh, this is so pretty. Like, and applying it with this brush, so much better than with the beauty blender. I apply blush on my nose, yeah, and a little bit here also. Wow, loving it. I really wish it would show up better on camera right now, but why not just go a little bit more? Like, I love blush so much. I can't deal with how much I love blush. Done. I'm gonna apply a little bit on my finger and apply it on my eyelid. Don't get scared if I look a bit crazy at first, but I did this yesterday and I like how it turned out. I didn't pick up the eyeshadow palette. Sorry guys, I'm just trying out a few products. A little bit in my crease with my bronzer. I love the cream blush. I'm gonna start using this so much. Next, what is next? Next, I'm gonna go in with the Honest Beauty eyebrow. Oh my gosh! I'm gonna go in with the Honest Beauty eyebrow pencil in the shade taupe. And let me just say, I'm not big on eyebrow pencils because I'm more of an eyebrow powder girl. I just like how it looks better, but I will say I love how this, like, how easy to work with this eyebrow pencil was. So let me just warn you, when my eyebrows are this thick in the game, I don't fill out my eyebrows. I just use like a little gel to put them up, because if not, I'm gonna look like a monster. But for the sake of the video and the review, I look naked, I promise. I'm dressed. For the sake of the video and the review, I'm gonna wear this. I mean, test this. No, my eyebrows are honestly insane. They have a mind of its own. But I love how this eyebrow pencil works out. This one just works so much easier for me. It's so creamy, but not too creamy, you get me? Like, it's not like you're gonna... I tried the eyeliner yesterday, the Honest Beauty liquid eyeliner. And I want to make very clear, the problem yesterday was not the eyeliner, it was me. I'm not the best at doing winged eyeliner, so I don't know, like, I haven't practiced in so long. Oh, also, I don't think I stated this, I'm not a beauty guru, I'm not a professional makeup artist. I obviously have some errors. I know someone who's very good at beauty is probably criticizing me like, oh my god, this girl, what is she doing? But I just love makeup, so I figured why not give my honest... Oh my god, girl, what's going on here? Why not give my honest opinion on some new brand that I'm trying out that's also clean and better for you. But as I said, I'm not good at doing liquid eyeliner. Like, no. Like, yesterday, I literally effed up so bad that I'm kind of scared and everything to try it now, but I really want to for the sake of this video. But before I start, because I might take a while doing it, I'm just gonna say the eyeliner itself is really good. I love a good matte liquid eyeliner. It was so easy. Like, I love the applicator. So easy to hold, but the problem was me, as I said. I'm gonna start. Let's see how it goes. Let's cross your fingers. I hope I don't fuck up. So it didn't come out amazing, but I just want to state it came out a lot better than it did yesterday, so not mad about it. I like it. I love this eyeliner, really. Oh my god, let me just... This mascara is so good. I had heard amazing things about it, and they were 100% right. This mascara is very good at elongating your eyelashes. Like, they look really long. I'm more used to like a mascara that makes your eyelashes thicker, but this, it was good. It's nice to go for a change. Oh, and it also comes with a primer, which I never really primed my eyelashes before putting mascara, but I did yesterday. I just want to say how cool it is that I honestly like really enjoy filming and getting in front of a camera and talking. Like, I don't know what it is. It's just like, wow, like I was in a bad mood. I'm telling you, bad mood. Like, crying in the bathroom, washing my face 50 times because I was like, I have to film this video. But actually not even wanting to because I was in such a bad mood. But I was like, you know what? Like, I have to do it. I want to do it. And I feel so much better now. So that's when you know that you really like to do something. Oh, I'm loving how my makeup is looking out though. Like, I wasn't, you know when you just need to get new makeup? Like, I wasn't digging any of the foundations that I had. Like, I'm literally gonna throw out all of my foundation. Except maybe one that's more full coverage for when I want to go out and stuff once this whole quarantine thing is over. But yeah, no, like I was in desperate need of new makeup. And I'm just so glad that it's cruelty-free, non-toxic, clean ingredients. Like, I'm loving that. Oh, this comes out like this. It's a really good mascara. I'm sure you would be able to see more if I didn't have the eyeliner on, but nice girl. Ignore my eyebrows. No, I love this mascara. Love, 100% love, 100% approved. Last but not least, you guys, I can't even describe how much I love this Honest Beauty liquid lipstick. I wish also that I could finish taking off this damn paper, but like it's stuck in there. This is in the shade, what shade is this? I think it's BFF. Get ready for this, you guys. The color is stunning. The feel is stunning. It's not one of those really dry liquid lipsticks. No. You're not gonna believe. It doesn't smell like anything, but you're not gonna believe how amazing this color is. Like, oh my god. It's like your lips, but better color. Literally live for this, okay? Look at that. I'm obsessed with this lipstick. Like, I'm not even kidding. I'm obsessed, 100% obsessed with this lipstick. I didn't pick up a highlighter. I didn't pick up any setting spray. I think she has like a mist or something like that. So sorry. So I'm gonna apply my highlighter and setting spray as I normally would, and I'll get right back to you. No, like, I can't describe how much I freaking love how I look right now. Let me just make myself look even better. I say that in the least conceited way possible, by the way. I'm just loving my makeup right now, and I was in a bad mood and I just feel so good right now. So good. So this is the final. Look, isn't it great? I just can't. Sorry. So, final thoughts. Love the primer, love the foundation, love the blush, love the powder. I love everything. Honestly, I really did like everything. Only thing that I'm gonna say is, as I think I mentioned, this foundation is great for every day, for chill plans, stuff like that. But I think for going out, I would probably want a more full coverage foundation. It's like a good medium, but I love it. I love how it wears. I think I look amazing right now. Love yourself, girls. So I love the cream blush. I would like to try out their powder ones, because I feel like this one, cream blush, doesn't wear as long. But I don't know, maybe I just need to set it with a powder one. But I would like to try out some more of their makeup. Honestly, I love everything. I'm really pleased with this makeup look. I feel like yesterday I didn't really enjoy it as much because I was interrupted. So yeah, and also I used this without adding an oil to it. I would recommend adding a beauty oil. I added this one. It made the application a lot easier, a lot more dewy. I love. Everything is approved. Honest Beauty, you're doing great, honey. You're doing amazing. Jessica Alba, thank you. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful day, night, whenever it is you're watching this. And if you like, subscribe, give me a like, whatever. If you don't want to, that's okay too. But just thank you for watching me, and I hope this was useful and helpful to some of you.